Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Join us at Inspire Art Linkings for a step-by-step tutorial on how to transform the simple drawing into a dynamic design. Watch us as we guide you through the process of sketching, detailing and coloring to create your very own masterpiece. In a world where color blends and dreams take shape, one girl dares to defy boundaries and capture the essence of beauty on paper. With her trusty pencil as her wand, she conjures magic, weaving tales of wonder and enchantment. Join us on the journey as we delve into the heart of creativity with Inspire Art Linking our muse and witness the extraordinary unfold on the canvas of Inspire Art Linkings. In this tutorial, we are going to draw a circle scenery of girl drawing with heart and basic shapes. Welcome to this tutorial on drawing natural scenery. In this video, we will explore the art of capturing the beauty of nature on paper. Begin by selecting your subject matter, whether it's a serene landscape, a lush forest, or a majestic mountain range. Find inspiration in the world around you. Next, choose your drawing material wisely. Opt for pencil, pastels, or watercolor to convey the texture and color of nature with precision. First of all, draw the head of the girl and then draw her dress of basic designs. As you start sketching, focus on capturing the essence of the scene. Pay attention to the play of light and shadows, the intricate details of foliage, and the organic shapes of girl and frog. Remember to vary your stroke to create depth and dimensions. Experiment with different techniques such as hatching, steeping, and blending to bring your drawing to life. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are all part of the learning process. Embrace imperfections and allow them to add character to your artwork. Finally, take your time and enjoy the process. Drawing natural scenery is not just about replicating what you see, but also about